My students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll explain from students book unit assessment 1. Unit 1 assessment. First question, choose the correct answer from the given ones. Number 1, if the ratio between E to B equals C to D, then 2E plus 5C over 2B plus 5D equal same of each ratio. One of each ratio, because we have A over B was equal to C over D. If we product the first proportional numerator and denominator by 2, then we have 2A over 2B, and then the second proportional product numerator and denominator by 5, and then add the result to the first proportional, antecedent with antecedent and consequent with consequent. The result will be one of each ratio, like this: A over B or C over D. Then the answer will be A over B. Then the answer shows letter A. Understood? It's properties about proportional. The answer will be equal one of the ratio. They are equivalent. Understood? Because you won't find 2A plus 5C over 2B plus 5D. The answer will be letter A. Next question, number 2. The ratio between 3x to 5y. He won't find the ratio between x and y and z. He give me the example 3x was equal to 5y equal to 4z. To solve the example, you must divide it by least common multiplication between three numbers 3 and 5 and 4. 3 times 5, 15, times 4 equals 60. And 60 is the least common multiplication. We can divide it by 60 first and second and third. 60 divided by 3 equal 20. 60 divided by 5 equal 12. 60 divided by 4 equal 15. In the ratio between x and y and z, it will be 20 to 12 to 15. Understood? Next question. The ratio between A to B over B equal B over C equals 3. What is the value of 2A plus 3B over 4B subtract 3C? First, we can put the value of A and value of B. First, then we can find the relation between A and B. Okay, A over B equal B over C equals 3. And the value of A will be C product by 3 power 2. 3 power 2 equal 9. And the value of A equals C times 3 power 2. 3 power 2, 9, 9 times C. And B equal 3 product by C. Okay, now we can find the answer about this expression: 2A plus 3B over 4B subtract by 3C equal to 2 times A, 2 times 9 equal 18 C, plus 3 times B, 3 times 3 equal 9, 4 times B, 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 times C, 3 times complete. 18 plus 9 is 27, 12 minus 9 is 12 minus 3 is 9. C, 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Then the answer will be 3. Show letter C. Next question. Number 4. What is the third proportion for two quantities x power 2 minus y and x minus y? Okay, I will put the third like k. K is a third between x power 2 minus y power 2 and x minus 1. We have two quantities. I will repeat: x minus y. We can factorize this expression. The value of k will be equal x minus y product by x minus y over x power 2 minus y power 2. Then we have x minus y product by x minus y, and down we can factorize this expression, the difference between the squared x minus y and x plus y. We can cancel. The result will be x minus y over x plus y. Choose letter D. The answer here will be letter D. Next question, number 5. Complete each of the following with the correct answer. Number 5 here. If the numbers a, b, 32 are proportional and a plus b is 10, then the order of a and b equal. We have a over b will be equal b over 32. Then we can find the value of a. If we product here, like b times b will be power 2 equals 32b, 32a. The product of extremes equal product of means. Then b power 2 equals 32a. He gives me the relation a plus b was 10. He wants to find the order of a and b. Okay, we can solve example by two methods. First method, we can put the value of a here. A will be equal p power 2 over 32. Put the value of a equal p power 2 over 32. We divided by 32 here, plus b equal 10, and then factorize the expression by product 32 first to cancel 32 in the numerator. Product by 32, then p power 2 plus 32p equals 320. I will move 320 here, then write b power 2 plus 32b subtract by 320 equals 0, and then factorize the expression like this. b power 2 equal p times p. We want to number the product of them equal 320 and the difference between them equals 32. You can use calculator by the mode here. Open this equation mode here and write 5 equation and then 3, and then write the coefficient of b power 2 equal 1. Write 1 equal, and then coefficient here 32, and the coefficient here negative 320. And the result will be x1 will be 8. Right here 8, and it changes sign. And second solution negative 40. I will write positive 40 here. Then we have two solutions of b. The first solution, b will be equal 8 and b equal negative 40. We have two solutions by example. If b equal 8, we can find the value of a. A will be equal, we have a plus b equal 10. Look at here, a plus b equal 10. Then a will be equal 2. And when b equal negative 40, we know a plus b was 10. Put the value of b negative 40, then the value of a will be 50. 50 plus negative 40 equal 10. Then the order of a and b will be equal 2 and 8, or 50 and negative 40. 50 and negative 40, or 2 and 8. It's the first method. What's the other method? Okay, I will solve the example by another method to put the constant. Okay, or I will solve the example by another method. Pay attention, we have two solutions about the example. First, we have a over b equal b over 32. I will put the constant k, then the value of a equal 32k power 2, and the value of b will be equal 32k, such that he gave me a plus b equal 10. The value of a equal 32k power 2, and b equal 32k minus 10 equals 0. We can simplify by dividing by 2. Then 16k power 2 plus 16k minus 5 equals 0. Now we can factorize the expression. We can write 4k and 4k, and 1 times 5, or 5 the product of extremes equal 20. 20 minus 4 equals 16. Then the greater 20 will be positive and here negative. In the value of k, negative 1 over 4, and the value of k equal 5 over 4. Then we can find the value of a by two methods here. The first method, look at here, a will be 32k power 2. Understood? Pay attention, I will complete here, okay? A will be 32 times k power 2. 1 over 4 power 2 to be 1 over 16. 32 divided by 16 equal 2. Then the value of a will be 2. And the value of b equal 32 product by k, right? 32 product by the value of k negative 1 over 4. The result will be 32 divided by 4 equal 8. Then we have the order will be 2 and negative 8. This is the first solution. And the second, if k equal 5 over 4, then the value of a equals 32k power 2. Right, 32 product by k power 2, 25 over 16. 32 divided by 16 equal 2. 2 times 15, 25 equal 50. And the value of b equals 32k. Right, 32 product by the value of k was 5 over 4. 32 divided by 4 equal 8. 5 times 8 equal 40. In the order will be 50 and 40. About a and b, we have two solutions, 2 and the negative 8, or 50 and 40. Okay, understood? We can solve by a first method or a second method, as you like. Next question. The ratio among sides lengths of triangle half to third to fourth and perimeter equal 104 centimeter. The length of the long side triangle equal. Okay, we have the ratio between first and second and third. I will product by least multiplication between denominator. It will be 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And then we know the parameter was 104. Then I will write the first will be equal 6k, and the second side will be 4k, and the third will be 3k, and the k constant not equal 0. He gives me this information, the parameter 104. We know the parameter equal first plus second plus third. 6k plus 4k plus 3k, the parameter 104. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. 13k equal 104. We can divide it by 13. Then the value of k equal, right, 8. Okay. Okay, understood? The value of k equal 8. Now we can find the longest. He won't find the longest side. The longest side here has 6 parts. 6 times k. Okay, 6 product by 8 equal 48. Then the longest side will be 48 centimeter. Okay. Next question answers the following question. Number 9. If A, B, C, D are continuous proportional, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, we have A over B was equal B over C because we have continuous proportion. A over B equal B over C equal C over D. I will put the constant here equal K. And the value of A will be equal dk power 3, and the value of B equal dk power 2, and the value of C equal dk. Okay, left hand side and right hand side to solve the example. Start from left hand side here. We have A minus B over A minus 2B plus C. We put the value of A was dk power 3, subtract by b. b was dk power 2 over a minus 2b plus c. a was dk power 3 subtract by 2 times b. b was dk power 2 plus c was dk. Complete with me, write the headcom factor here. d was repeating and k power 2 dk power 3 divided k power 2 equal k. dk power 2 divided itself, it will be 1. And down we can write also d was repeating and k is a small term here, k. Then divided dk power 3 divided dk, it will be k power 2. 2 dk power 2 divided dk, write 2. dk power 2 divided dk equal k. And write positive dk divided dk equal 1. You can simplest k power 2 divided k, it will be k. And this expression we can simplest the numerator divided k power 2 divided by k equal k. We can write here this is a perfect square. Write k minus 1 all power 2. Then we can simplest write k and k minus 1 over k minus 1 all power 2. It will be k minus 1. This relation number 1 about left hand side. And what about right hand side? Right hand side here equal a plus b plus c over a minus d. Okay, this relation number 1 and this relation number 2. Complete with me here number 2. I will solve here. Okay, a plus b plus c. a was dk power 3 plus b was dk power 2 plus c was dk over a minus d. a was dk power 3 minus d equal write the headcom factor up. d was repeating and k also, and then divided dk power 3 divided dk equal k power 2. dk power 2 divided dk equal k. dk divided itself, it will be 1. And down we can factorize this expression, write d and k power 3 minus 1. We can cancel, the result will be k or product by k power 2 plus k plus 1. Okay, my students, understood? Okay, down here I will factorize k power 3 minus 1 by open two brackets, small brackets and greater brackets. K power 3 equal k product by k power 2. Cubic root of negative 1, it will be negative 1. Negative 1 power 2, it will be 1. In the middle, it will be first times second. Change the sign, it will be positive k. We can simplify these brackets, the same as these brackets. Then the answer will be k over k minus 1. This is relation number 2. Relation number 1 and 2, they are equivalent. Then left hand side equal right hand side. Understood? You must know factorizing about the difference between 2 cubed and the difference between 2 squared also, and the perfect square. Okay, you must know all properties about factorizing. Okay, next question. Number 10. The quantities are proportional, then find the numerical value of x. Proportional, not continuous proportional. Okay, it's a proportional only. Then first over second equals third over fourth. Then we have 35 over 15 equal 3 over 2x plus 1. Then 2x plus 1 equivalent to 3 reduced by 15 over 35. We can simplify it divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Then we have 3 times 3, 9 over 7. Okay. Then we can solve the equation 2x plus 1 equal 9 over 7. 2x will be equal 9 over 7 subtract by 1. Then 2x will be equal 9 over 7 subtract by 1, it will be 2 over 7. We can divide it by 2, then the value of x equal 1 over 7. The value of x 1 over 7. 7, okay. Next question number 11. He give me this information. I want to find the ratio between A to B to C. Okay. Look at here. I want to find A and B and C. How we can find A here? If we add first and second, first proportional and second proportional together, the result up will be 2A. Then the first step to find A, you must add first proportional by second proportional, antecedent by antecedent, and consequent by consequent. Then we can add first proportional and second. Add first proportional and second proportional together. Antecedent with antecedents, and also consequent. Okay, first step, we can add first proportional by second proportional. Then we have A plus B plus A minus B over 25 plus 11. We can cancel, the result will be cancel B by B, then A plus A equal to A, and the result will be 36. We can simplest 36 divided by 2 equal 18. It's relation number 1. And what about B? We can find B by 8. Listen to me here. How we can find 8? If we product second by -1, product here by -1 numerator and denominator, and then add the answer to the first, then the result will be B. Give me 2B and then simplify like this. Then I will product the second proportional by product the second proportional by product second proportional by -1, and add the first and second proportional, antecedent with antecedent, and consequent with consequent. We have A plus B, the first here, plus B over 25. The second, I will product -1 numerator and numerator. Look at here, it will be -A, and -B will be positive B, and that one will be -11 equal to, we can cancel here, B plus B equal to B, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 2 minus 1 equal 1. Then you can simplest, we have B over 7. It's relation number 2. Relation number 3, he won't find C. How we can find C? If we add second, look at here, this expression, A plus A to A, but this example, if we put here -A, -1, it will be, I want to see only how we find it. We can cancel A and B. How we can cancel A and B? We can product by -1 to the first and 8 to the second. Or what's the answer here? If you product second by negative, no, product this by negative and then 8 to third. Okay, product the first, look at the first proportional, I will product by -1 and then add the answer to the third proportional, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. Then I will product here the third, the first by -1, right, by product first by -1 and then add first and third proportional with together. Okay, listen to me. First here I will product by -1. Then we have -a minus b and down to -25. To the third, write a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c over 8. Okay, look at here. B minus b, negative b, a difference by, then we have negative c is the remainder, and -25 plus 18, write 9, write negative here, and 15 minus 8 equal 7. The result will be -17. We can sample divided by negatives, and we have c over 17. This is relation number 3. Relation number 1 equal 1 of the ratio, and here equal 1 of the ratio, and here equal 1 of the ratio. Then they are equivalent because the result of each one equal 1 of the ratio. Then we have 3 solution equivalent. 1 of the ratio, 1 of the ratio, 1 of the ratio, they are equivalent. Then 9 over this a over 18 equivalent to b over 7 equal c over 17. Okay, he want what? He want find the ratio between a to b to c. Then a to b to c will be 18 to 7 to 17. Understood? Next question. Find the number which is subtracted, which if subtracted from each number they become proportional. Okay, give me 3 quantities only. I will write here. Look with me. We have 6 over 9 will be equal 9 over 50. We subtract by x from each one. It will be proportional. Then the product of extremes equal product of means. 9 minus x whole power 2 equals 6 minus x. Product by 15 minus x. 9 power 2 equal 81. And the middle 2 times 9 18. X and x power 2 to be x power 2. 6 times 15 is 90. 6 times negative 6x will be negative 6x. Product here negative 15x, and product here it will be positive x power 2. You can cancel together, and then we have 81 subtract by 18x equal, we can write 90, and negative 6 plus negative 15 negative 21x. We can move here 90 subtract by 81 and move this here, right? 81 plus it will be moved from negative to positive, okay? It will be positive 21. 90 minus 81 equal 9, and this negative again we have 90 minus 81, and we have here negative 18x, this negative 18x, and we have deal would be positive 21x. Understood? Move negative 21x from here to change the sign. It will be positive 21x. The difference will be 9, and 21 minus 18 equals 3, and the value of x will be equals 3. Then the number will be 3. Okay,